What is archery in Korean? Archery in Korean is
양궁, 양궁.
again. Archery in Korean is
양궁.
How do you write Yangung in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable yang, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder yang, followed by the ya character, followed by an ion character. For the second syllable kung, we need to draw first a gyo character, followed by an u character, followed by an ion character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of those two syllables to write Yangung in Hangul.
And with that you've already learned what is archery in Korean. Now, let's take the previous word quiz. What is boxing in Korean? Boxing in Korean is
권투, 권투.
Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here. At Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.